Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Professor Poonam Saxena. Many of you know me by the name of Poonam Pradhan Saxena. And I am currently the Vice Chancellor of National Law University, Jodhpur, that is situated in Rajasthan, a very vibrant and colorful city of Rajasthan. I've been here for the past 9.5 years now, and my experience has been terrific virtually. And what I have seen is that we take raw school students in the very first year, and by the time they come out of the law school in the final year, sometimes even, they're really like polished lawyers. So it's amazing to see the transformation of school students, school pass-out students, into very, very polished lawyers. This is one of the things that this is one of the experience that I would like to share with you. Whether it is the regional medium that they have studied in, whether they have come from public school, whether they are from disadvantaged groups, whether they are from very elite backgrounds, they are all one here. And by the time they pass out of law schools, it is very difficult to tell the difference between one from the other. They are all alike. That is one of the advantages of being in a residential law school. The second thing is that the legal education in India has attained a very coveted position. Now it has become the first preference for many of the students who want to check out their future career. One, if you are able to get into a good law school, good NLU, then the placement program is very, very good. The platform that these NLUs provide to you is excellent, and by the time you are in fourth year, with the day zero coming in, you are already assured of the pay packages running into several lakhs of rupees, and also maybe a couple of offers from the law firms. In addition, I would say that legal education is a class apart from other educations. One, it makes you aware of your rights. Two, you can say that we can be aware of our rights even by accessing Google or other platforms that give you knowledge. But here, not only you are aware of your rights, but you also know the procedure with the help of which you can enforce your rights. So, you can help yourself. Nobody can take you for a ride. You are a very powerful person because you know how to access the court mechanism and finally get a verdict in your favor if you are right. Thirdly, and the most importantly, not only you secure your rights, but you can also be of immense help to the disadvantaged section who are deprived of their rights because of unawareness or because of something else. Because of poverty reasons, they are in challenged circumstances, they do not know how to approach the court. Now you can help them. You can be of tremendous use to the society, and if you have this philanthropic attitude in your life, in your mind, then you are definitely the person that the society wants. In India, there are several disadvantaged groups who have rights but are denied of these rights because they do not know how to access the the judicial mechanism or the legal redressal mechanism. You can help them also. In addition, if you want a career for yourself in academics, go for higher education, that is Masters in Law after completing your 5-year LLB program. Then be a faculty member, or you can go for further advanced studies either here in India or even abroad. You can join a law firm, you can join litigation, virtually the sky is open for you. I would definitely encourage you people to come and have a taste of legal education. Crack CLAT and then join us. Thank you.